Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to download the Facebook app on your Windows 11 computer. So this should be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the Microsoft Store, whether you want to select the taskbar icon or go through the search icon. Looks like a little magnifying glass. Go ahead and open it up regardless, and you want to select the search option up at the top right corner of the window, and you want to search for Facebook. Best match should come back with Facebook app. Go ahead and open that up, and then you want to select the Get button, so go ahead and left click on that. And if you want to sync this across other Microsoft devices, you can by signing in. Otherwise, we're going to select no thanks. And once that's done, you can go ahead and launch the Facebook app, and then it'll give you the option to sign in. And that's pretty much it, guys. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.